Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Giuseppe. Thank you so much for clicking on this. It's another quick one. It's just a really quick thing here. Now, what I want to talk about is if you are running ads through your website and you're using Elementor, chances are you have a bunch of leads and they're really difficult to deal with because you have to report those to your clients. Maybe they want some kind of confirmation. They want to see the names and whatever is going on. So that way they know what's going on. And then, if you're paid for your leads, like a lot of us are, you're going to have to report on those. You need to report on those accurately. Now, I'm going to walk you through a little workflow that I've worked out for myself. You can do this with any AI client. It's super simple, and you don't need your N8N. You don't need like some crazy workflow to make this happen. You can keep it simple. You can just you can download it into a folder and tell it to do whatever you want it to do. As you can see here, it formats everything out. And this is what the final product looks like. It's just a simple form. The client goes through this. They have a look at whatever they need. They go, okay, these are the ones that closed. Thank you so much. And they send you your check. Or this is how many came in. Thank you so much. They send you your check. All you have to do to do this and work this out is you come into your website right here. You pick the dates here, right? You click on Elementor. You go to submissions and you click export to CSV. Now, to keep this simple, I'm going to show you. I've created on my desktop a folder, and in that folder, I have my client, right? The client folder in the projects folder. And then in there, I have my leads, and in there, I have Elementor submissions, and I save it right there. I just click save. I'm not going to save because it's already there, but that's all you have to do. You save it into there. And then when you come into your terminal, right? You just crack open your terminal, and I'll take you to the top here. You CD into that folder, and you just tell it, hey, I just added some new leads to the leads folder. They're from about 30 days ago. They're from the last 30 days. Can you put it into something so I can copy and paste it into a Google spreadsheet? And it will go through and write up all of the scripts, everything it needs to do in order to maneuver those into CSV. From there, you just come into here, you click File, Import, Upload, and you browse. I'll show you, sorry guys. You come into here, come into your Google, File, Import, Upload. You select the folder, which I will do just for fun for you guys here, right? And it'll go through this thing. It'll say unable to read because I did the wrong thing. Anyways, you go browse, you open it up, and this is like your sheet, your final sheet. And you just go replace current sheet, import. And I'm not gonna do this now because it will kind of break the work I've done. But that's all you gotta do is you just replace the current sheet. And then this just makes it so that way you don't have to worry about having some crazy N8N workflow or ChatGPT goes here and you link it to there and you're back and forth and blah, 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 and it's not worth it. Download it into a folder, CD into that folder with your LLM, whatever you're using, or just give access to the folder in ChatGPT and then open it up, tell it, hey, I need this into one CSV so I can upload it into your whatever you're using. I'm using Google Sheets. If you're using Excel, that's fine. I need a CSV for Excel. Thank you so much. It'll go through it, ask it to format it, ask it to get it done, and you will walk out with a nice little sheet like this. It's all you need. Anyways, if you found this valuable, my website is the following. It's zeoadvertising.com. If you or someone you know wants some advertising or you want your SEO, feel free to hit me up, fill out the form, say hi. I'm happy to chat with you or just leave a comment. If you want this saved, if you want this sort of like the equations I've created onto a Git so you can just download it as one prompt, just let me know. Just type Elementor prompt in the bottom and I will give you this entire prompt. I'll link it to you in your comment below. Anyways, if you stay to the end, you're an absolute legend. Thank you so much and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.